To have healthy plants, I need to choose quality mature seeds. Cut the aloe vera into small pieces, add water, and soak the seeds for about 1 hour. Because aloe vera has good moisture retention properties, it helps stimulate germination and effective nutrient absorption. Now I will let the seeds grow. I used an old baby bathtub to grow cucumbers. First, I would punch holes around the pot for easier drainage to prevent the plant from getting waterlogged. I took 2 water bottles and cut and punched holes to pour water and throw away kitchen waste. I attached the bottle to the middle of the pot so that the bottle was evenly distributed among the plants. To make the soil loose and nutritious, mix rice husks with worm manure into the soil to grow plants. The tree has now sprouted and grown into a young plant. I will plant it in a pot with prepared soil. I dump the trash down to let it decompose and release organic fertilizer, and poke small holes into the soil to let the soil absorb fertilizer for the plants, and bring water up to the top. The water will flow through the electric pipes and water the plants directly. At this stage, the tree begins to take root and grow. I add more soil and roots to keep the tree standing more firmly. To give the plant room to grow, I will use bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the plant to climb. This is the stage when the tree is flowering and fruiting, so it needs a lot of nutrients. I will mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the tree. I used zip ties to tie the branches together for the plant to climb. I will pollinate the female flowers with male flowers. Oh, the tree I planted has now produced a lot of fruit. Now I will pick and enjoy. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.